joining tennis was more of an accident, like it was next to my house. But my dad played cricket professionally, like he represented Tamil Nadu in the under 19 state team. So he kind of had this dream where he wanted me to take it up professionally. And since I started tennis when I was 5 years old, and they saw me do good, so yeah, we took it up professionally. Yes, I started pretty early, and I had a very hectic schedule. Like I used to wake up, go for practice, and then change my clothes on the way to school. Then again, do the same thing back to the tennis court. Then go for a fitness session. Then come home, do my assignments, and sleep. But I really enjoyed it because my parents always assured me that I would always, be different from everyone else. My parents have played a huge role, and they're supportive in every possible way, like whether it's my academics, tennis, or my business or anything. So they've been very, very supportive. And also, I feel like the educational institute that I'm part of has also helped me a lot. Amrita School of Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine. I feel like the support they've extended towards me has been like, it was unexpected from me or my family, because when I wanted to study science and pursue science, I remember my school didn't let me take science when I was in just 8th standard. And they told me that you cannot balance tennis and education, and I had to choose between tennis or my academic career. But here I'm doing my master's degree, and the kind of support that the professors and the management, everyone, helps me out. It's just incredible. Like I'm just very grateful and thankful to, have found this institute. I really love science. I'm very passionate about it. And since I was young, I always knew I was going to study science and learn it. It was just very fascinating for me as a child. And definitely wanted to pursue masters because I wanted to keep that kind of learning attitude in me, like going. Like I didn't want to stop learning, and I love giving exams. I love challenging myself. So obviously that's the best way to do it. And I really found the nanoelectronics, nanoengineering course very interesting, even though I'm from a completely biology background. Like I didn't know anything about electronics, but the professors and the whole management, they were very kind, and they taught me everything from the basics. And like they really encourage interdisciplinary education here, and I definitely recommend that, like, to people, because it kind of opens your mind. And when I came to know about Amrita School of Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine, I came across the nanoengineering and nanoelectronics course. After seeing the work done by the professors and all the PhD students, I was really fascinated. Like the kind of facilities, firstly, that they have here is world class, and all the instruments, equipments, everything. I don't think any other lab in the country would have this. And they do a lot of work related to energy conversion, energy storage, which is translational, and a lot of work on lithium-ion batteries, nanoscale semiconductors. They use a lot of techniques like nanolithography. I'm just fascinated by all of that. And as the course started, I learned all these techniques, and they follow a very hands-on method. Like we get to do all these experiments. It's not just that they teach it. We also get to actually experience it, which is incredible. If you have goals, and if you set the right priorities for it, right milestones, and if you really put your heart and your heart and soul into following it, you can definitely do anything you want. If I weren't a tennis player, I would probably have a career in science or do business, which I love doing everything that I'm doing, so I completely enjoy everything. So it's hard for me to choose one. I would like to be remembered as a person, like if someone wants to do something and they're doubting themselves, probably they can look at me and say that, okay, if she can do it, I can do it, and anything is possible. And also doing multiple things is possible, because we are of the mindset that if you choose one thing, just do one thing and be good at it. But I feel like you can do multiple things as well. Thank the management, the whole management of Amrita School of Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine, all my professors, everyone for making this possible. Thank you so much. And I wish the very best to all the students and everyone.